with the Mad Ramps. Looks like the trail version RZR does fit into a, this is a 2016 Colorado with a diesel with a 6-foot bed. And check to see if we got some space in the front. Let's see. Yep, just enough space. So maybe with the shorter bed, you probably, if you had a winch, you're probably gonna end up smacking the back of your mirror. But and this setup, it looks like everything actually fits. guys, so it didn't feel too bad. Everything felt normal. if y'all want me to make another video on the highway run, strap down, you know, giving a good run and seeing how it goes and how smooth it is, let me know. I'm gonna need, you know, couple likes, you know how it is, you know, the likes and subscriptions. I need a couple of those, and once I get those, I'll start popping out on the video. It's gonna be we're gonna call this a Mexican